So this is a 3-tier floating shelf organizer. You can put this many places, but a few things I want to talk about with installation. So these actually have in already the pre-drilled holes. You can see that right there. So they're already pre-drilled, so you don't have to worry about stripping anything as easily or going through the wood and messing anything up. I love that they are already pre-drilled. And it's not just like, it's actually like a bolt in there. It's not just like slightly pre-drilled. So you can easily put these in, and then I'm just finishing up here. Here's the thickness of the board. And then you'll have this little basket here that goes on the bottom. Assembly was really easy. It doesn't really take that long at all. Instructions are just 6 different steps of instructions. You get everything you need, obviously, with it. And then for when you're putting it up, if you don't put it in 2x4s or anything like that, or studs, you're gonna need these anchors, and you're gonna anchor these. Find the spots, the marks, make your marks, use the anchors, and then once you get these anchors in, give them a little hammer in there. Once you got the holes, and then you can screw these through. So you get 4 of those. And let's see, I think everything else is done though. So we're gonna go set this up, putting on the shelf. It's just super easy. You can adjust them, put them any level you want, and you just clip them on like that. So you just kind of bend them out and then bend them up and out. And then you can take them out and adjust them. This is fairly large for sizing, which is great for fitting lots of stuff on here and having lots of storage capacity. All right. And the shelves are a decent size. So I like it so far, but I'm gonna get it set up, put it in the wall, and the cute little basket on the bottom I really like. You can put some tissue on there. You can put a towel if you use this in like a type of spa setting or something. You can put like a little folded rolled towels. So I'm gonna do another video after it is up and just kind of how it looks once it's all put together and up and going. Thanks for the company for sending me this to review.